Good day, everybody. I've got this Nissan Sentra here, and I've got a couple of warning lights. The first one we're going to attack is this tire pressure low, add air. It even tells you what side it is. So this is driver's side, rear, needs some air. Let's go ahead and see if we can make this go away. So this here is what this is about right there. So if you don't see this and you just see this, this is what it is. That's the low pressure. Okay, we know this needs air. Well, how much air do you put in it? If you look on the sidewall of the tire here, it'll tell you how many PSI it takes. And you can see for this tire, this one takes 51 PSI. So we'll go ahead and pump it up. Go ahead and get an initial reading on this so we know what our starting PSI is. Pretty low, it's at 16.5. Let's double check it. Yep. Perfect. Okay, let's see what it does now when I start it up. That's pretty darn accurate too. There we go, that went away. And the caution sign went away as well. That's great. But it looks like we need a new key battery. I like that it tells me that. That's how you fix it. Thanks for watching, guys.